Hello everyone and welcome to break 3469 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Wednesday, September 30th, 2020. It is 10:15 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:15 p.m. Central Time, and 7:15 p.m. Pacific Time. No need to randomize as LE_211142 has every single spot. So we're not randomizing. Good luck. And here we go. Let's see what we get. Sealed on top and bottom. Ooh. So check that out. We have a DK Metcalf rookie booklet, Seattle Seahawks, 28 out of 49. Very nice. So if someone had the Seahawks, this would be going to you, but LE bought every single spot, so check that out. Origins Football. Are you here, by the way? We can crack this open if you want to see the inside. Otherwise, the booklet is right there. DK Metcalf rookie booklet, 28 out of 49. Sweet. And again, no need to randomize. So that was break 3469 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. Thanks.